Welcome back to Android Tutorials, and in this video I am going to give you the free source code of QR code scanner and generator which we had created in our Android Studio in a playlist of how to make a QR code scanner and generator. Here you can see that big titles for free source code, free source code, free source code. So in this video I am going to give you finally a free source code of this from here to here complete series. This series contains 5 videos. First is about splash screen with animation, then onboarding screen, and using the shade preference, QR code scanner, QR code result getting, and generator. And if you want to add the exit confirmation and Firebase related work, then you can search here about that. You will find all the videos about that. So let me tell you the link. So here I am going to give you a link in the description so that you can find out this URL. Here we have app directory, and in this directory we have source, then move to main, generator, and here is a QR code generator and scanner file. So here you can see that, and if you want to add this in your project, then you can simply download this project by clicking here and get. You can copy this github uh, git, or you can download zip file or open with github desktop. So you can use this source code for free, but if you are using this, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel Android Tutorials so that I can get a motivation. So if you like this video, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel Android Tutorials, and soon I am going to upload a Facebook ad implementation complete tutorial. So if you want to watch that, then please subscribe our channel. And you can see that we are creating amazing videos on that only. So here is our channel. So subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching Android Tutorials.